Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your daily English podcast. I am your host, Lisa. Today, we are talking about everyone's favorite topic, food. Food is a universal language, but you need the right English words to talk about it. We will learn how to describe how food tastes and how to talk about eating times. Our expert, Paul, is here to give us the essential vocabulary. Welcome back, Paul.
Hello, Lisa, and a warm welcome to all the food lovers. Talking about food is easy and safe. Everyone loves to talk about what they eat. We will build your vocabulary so you can easily describe food in 3 ways.
What are the 3 essential ways we talk about food in English?
We call them the 3 pillars of food talk. 1. Taste and description. How does the food feel and taste? Is it sweet? Is it hot? 2. Meals and time. When do we eat and what is the difference between meals? 3. Preferences. What food do you like and what food do you dislike?
The first pillar is taste and description. When you eat something new, you need the words to explain the taste to your friend. Paul, what are the 5 main tastes we need to know?
We have 5 basic tastes that you must memorize. 1. Sweet. This is the taste of sugar, cake, and honey. Example sentence, this apple pie is very sweet. 2. Salty. This is the taste of the ocean, chips, and popcorn. Example sentence, the soup is a little too salty for me. 3. Sour. This is the taste of a lemon or green apple. It makes your mouth feel funny. Example sentence, I like the taste of sour candy. 4. Bitter. This is the taste of very dark chocolate or black coffee without sugar. It is the opposite of sweet. Example sentence, my black coffee is a little too bitter today. 5. Spicy or hot. This is the feeling of chili peppers or pepper. It is not really a taste, but a feeling of heat. Example sentence, be careful, this curry is very spicy and hot.
Those 5 words are essential. Now, let's talk about texture. Texture is how the food feels in your mouth. We need 3 simple texture words.
Crunchy. How a fresh carrot or chip feels. Example, these potato chips are very crunchy. Soft. How a banana or mashed potato feels. Example, the bread is very soft and fresh. Creamy. How yogurt or ice cream feels. Example, this soup is rich and creamy.
We use the phrase, it tastes or it is, to describe these things. Our second pillar is meals and time. We need to know the names of the main eating times and the best phrases for inviting someone to eat.
We have 3 main meals in the English-speaking world. You must know these names. 1. Breakfast. The first meal of the day, usually in the early morning. Essential question, what did you have for breakfast today? 2. Lunch. The meal in the middle of the day, usually around noon, 12 p.m. Essential phrase, I usually grab lunch around 1 p.m. Grab lunch means eat quickly. 3. Dinner. The main meal of the day, usually in the evening. Essential phrase, we're cooking dinner at 7 p.m.
And sometimes we eat a snack between meals, like an apple or some cookies. A snack is a small meal.
Now let's talk about inviting someone to eat. We use the phrase, would you like to? Example 1, would you like to join me for lunch? Join me means come and eat with me. Example 2,
Are you hungry? Do you want a snack?
And what if we want to ask someone about their favorite food generally?
A great question is, what kind of food are you in the mood for? This asks about their desire right now. Simple answer, I'm in the mood for Italian food.
The third pillar is preferences. This is how you say what you like and what you dislike when you talk about food. This is used in every conversation about food.
We need two simple structures for a preference. A, talking about likes or strong phrases. I love. Use this for your favorite food. Example, I love chocolate ice cream. I'm a big fan of. A very common phrase for a strong liking. Example, I'm a big fan of spicy Indian food. Or, I could eat it every day. A funny, strong way to show deep love for a food. Example, pizza? I could eat it every day. B, talking about dislikes or polite phrases. I'm not a big fan of. The most polite way to say you dislike something. Example, I'm not a big fan of bitter cheese. Or, I don't care for. A soft phrase meaning you avoid it. Example, I don't care for bitter vegetables. Or, I'm allergic to. This is important for health. Allergic means it makes you sick. Example, I'm allergic to peanuts.
And how do we ask a simple question about someone's favorite food?
Always do the simple structure. What is your favorite? What is your favorite dish? What is your favorite kind of snack?
Now we move to a real-world scenario. Ordering food in a restaurant. This is where we put all the phrases together.
When the waiter or waitress comes to your table, they will ask, are you ready to order? Or what can I get for you? We use the polite phrase, I will have, or I would like to. Example, I will have the fish and chips, please. Or, I would like a glass of water, please.
What if the food is very good? We need to give positive feedback.
Use these simple phrases. This food is delicious. This tastes amazing. The steak is perfectly cooked. Cooked means prepared well.
And what if the food has a problem? We need polite negative feedback using the polite phrase, excuse me.
Excuse me, my soup is cold. Excuse me, I think I ordered the chicken, not the fish. When you finish eating, they will ask, would you like anything else? The simple reply is, no thank you, just the bill, please. The bill is the paper that shows the price.
Paul, this was the ultimate guide to talking about food. We covered the 3 pillars: taste, meals, and preferences. Let's quickly review the most important phrases. To describe taste, it is sweet or it's too salty. To ask about meals, what did you have for breakfast? To express liking, I am a big fan of pizza. To express disliking politely, I'm not a big fan of seafood. To order food, I will have the pasta, please.
Remember the self-talk rule. Go to your kitchen, look at the food, and describe 3 items using the 5 tastes we learned today. Say them out loud.
Your homework is write down 2 full sentences describing your favorite meal. Use at least 1 taste word, sweet, salty, sour, bitter, or spicy, and 1 preference phrase, I love or I'm a big fan of. Practice saying these sentences today. Thank you for listening to Your Daily English podcast. We hope you feel ready to talk about food anywhere, anytime. Until next time, keep studying English. Bye.